Stay tuned to see how I achieve these beautiful crochet faux locks. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I install the Queen Faux Locks from Nubias crown. Stay tuned. I've started off by parting my hair into sections. I have about 38 mini braids in my hair. I moisturized my hair using the Lavish leave-in conditioner from Mish Beauty, and I also went in to seal that moisture with the Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Strengthening Serum. Also for parting, I used the Shine and Jam Conditioning Gel Extra Hold. You're also going to need a rat tail comb for parting, and of course you're going to need a crochet hook. So again, I'm using the Queen Faux Locks from Nubias crown. These are the 18-inch faux locks, and this is the color Ombre Ash Brown. Absolutely love this color. I've already completed most of my hair. I have 2 more sections left, and I will show you just how I install these faux locks, so keep on watching. So again, this is the 18-inch faux lock, and it does come pre-looped, which makes it easy to crochet into your hair. So I'm going to take my crochet hook, I'm going to put it underneath the braid that I have, and then I am going to put the faux lock onto the crochet hook, close it up, and pull it through. Once I pull it through, I'm going to take that pre-looped end and I'm going to stick the other end through there and then pull it to secure it tightly along my hair. Once the faux lock is secure, I'm just going to take the faux lock and wrap it around my braid. And I'll just keep repeating these steps until my hair is no longer exposed, and then I'll give it a little palm roll just to make sure that it's secure in place. So I'm going to show you those same steps one more time with this last braid. after palm rolling, you see a little piece of your hair sticking out. You just take that little piece of hair, open up the faux lock, tuck your hair inside, and then palm roll it, and you are all set to go. And here is the install. Quick, super easy, summer, spring style. Absolutely loving these faux locks. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and make sure you check the description box where I will leave my discount code and a link to these beautiful locks in the description box below. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.